In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Sims 4 stuck on loading screen when you want to play it. This video will be helpful. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. So first things first, you want to open up your documents folder, which is right there. Then you're going to find EA Electronic Arts folder, and then Sims 4. After that, you're going to find mods folder. So what you want to do is open up that mods folder. You will see all of your mods listed there. And what you want to make sure of is you don't have any cast background folder, a file on your mods folder, MCC or WW mod. So check out any of these three if you don't have them. Now, if you don't have them, you want to go ahead and open up, again, Sims 4 folder, get your new mods, so download them wherever you are given to them. After that, you want to rename this folder to, for example, mods old. And once you will do that, you want to open up your games, Sims 4. After that, you want to open up the menu, game options, go to other, and then enable custom content and mods. You want to go ahead and check mark it. And once you will click on it, then you can apply the changes and close your game. And then reopen your game of Sims 4 and go to the same game options and see if the enable mods option is check marked. Just check that out. Would you close it now? Basically, you want to open though here, and you want to see if the new mods folder has appeared. So as you can see, it has appeared for me, and you will see it somewhere on your Sims 4 right there. As you can see, mods alt and mods. So that's pretty much it. You want to go ahead and add all of your mod files to that folder, to this one, all of the updated ones. So go ahead and upload them there, and your mods will be fixed, and your Sims 4 shouldn't be stuck on loaded screen. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.